Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing, the 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Vegetable chopper. The original pro chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids, 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing / grating / shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily Sink Caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily Kitchen Sink Organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. Juicer machine. Upgraded 800W motor. Centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor. More efficient and powerful than cold-press juicer maker. Lasts much longer than other competitor. 3-inch wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual-speed juicer machine with 2-speed control. 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry, etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear, etc. Safety design and easy to clean juicer extractor with locking system arm. It will not work without cover locked into place. Overload protection system will switch off machine once overheating occurs. Detachable parts makes it easy to clean. To remove filter basket, please grasp the edge of the filter basket and pull up. Notice, avoid trying to juice things with a low water content. Non-stick frying pan. Swiss non-stick coating. Switzerland ILAG non-stick granite coating. PFOA free, smokeless, safe, healthy. Cooking with little oil for healthy diet. Suitable for all stoves. High magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows the deep frying pan to work on all cooktops, including induction. The core of the frying pan is made of die-cast aluminum, which is sturdy and heats up quickly and evenly. Glass lid. Stay cool handle. High-quality tempered glass lid makes it convenient to see the cooking status and limits splashes on your stove. Wood grain Bakelite handle is comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking. Oven safe to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to clean, non-stick and no rivets. This chef pan is super easy to clean. Simply wipe it over with a sponge and warm soapy water. Make your daily food intake easier to make. Fruit slicer cup. Durable and safe designed. Tuadila fruit slicer is made of high-quality materials, durable and safe to use. It comes with a smooth surface without sharp edges, with stainless steel cutter inside, ensuring your hands will not get hurt when cutting fruits and vegetables. Save your time. Very easy to use. It can slice variety fruits and vegetables easily. Save your effort during cooking. Make cooking procedure efficient and enjoyable. Multifunction kitchen tool. The slicer can work well with most soft fruits and vegetables like strawberries, bananas, grapes, mangoes, kiwi, mushroom or boiled eggs and more, but not for those hard vegetables like potatoes, etc. Great for making fruit salad.